Coming up December 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 2016, Riegelwood, North Carolina, fully hands-on a tiny house and treehouse building workshop with the Diedricksen brothers, Stephen Harrell, Andrew Odom, and more. And thanks to PB Blaster, Penetrates and Lubricants, they've been helping us out with a couple upcoming projects and builds that you'll be hearing about soon. All right, going to show you some super sexy slides here. That's a lot of S's as I sip my scrumptious coffee. There's a C, unfortunately. This is something we built as a group in a workshop in the past to showcase or to exemplify some complex cuts, but also the use of salvage and letting materials dictate the build. A lot of salvage in this one, including that 100-year-old door in the back, a window we found, and the usage of a lot of scrap 2x2s, that webwork that holds up that Tuftex polycarbonate clear roofing used as siding in a greenhouse effect on the front of that cabin. This little reading nook or pod, it's very tiny, could sleep two in sleeping bags, is at Clark University now, on display in their quad for quite some time. They own it now, but it was built by myself, designed by myself and students at Tiny House Summer Camp 3. Next year we have Tiny House Summer Camp 5. You can see the effect, though, and why I choose the Tuftex polycarbonate roofing, just that the light that pours in and outward when lit up, and the cool geometric patterns that we all cut together. Inside furnishing-wise, I was kind of upset when Ikea once upon a time got rid of one of their tiny armchairs, but more recently they came out with the Ekero model, which I think is way better, incredible looking, and you can put it together in like 10 minutes, if that. So I picked up a couple of these recently, and you can see here there's a blue one. It's very compact and very comfortable, more so comfortable than the other model they used to have. There's one in the cabin here, a cool shaggy rug from Ikea as well. This is a pet peak window used as a porthole. That sealant right there, as it dried, became clear. I had to shoot that at night. This is an Ikea lamp as well, one of their new ones, which I love. It reminds me of a Lego head. So if you have kids, this might be a cool lamp for the bedroom. I really dig some of the styles they've had as of recent. And again, a shot of this thing kind of at dusk, and that's the reason I use that Tuftex. Love the look of it. Easy to install.